Good morning, boys and girls. Today for writing, you are going to be telling us how to decorate a tree, and we're going to be using this paper. And I just quickly wanted to explain how I want you to use the paper and where I want you to put things. Your name obviously is going to go here. How to, and then this is what you're telling us how to do. So you're going to tell us how to decorate a tree. This box is for your introduction, and I'm giving you not so many directions this time because I want to see how well we learned and remembered what we talked about from our other how-to story. So this is like a little test to see what you remember. So your introduction goes in this paragraph or in this box. Name, how to decorate a Christmas tree. Your introduction goes in this box. In these dotted squares is where your pictures go. And then in these squares, you're going to trace over the order words. And then you're going to finish that sentence. I want at least one sentence per step, but if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can go ahead and write 2 sentences per step. And I'm excited to see how to decorate a Christmas tree. There's so many different starting spots that I'm not going to even give you an idea because I'm curious to see where you start from and where you end up. Have fun, and I'm so excited.